Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Now it's time to explore advanced tire maintenance, smart monitoring systems, seasonal care, and simple driving habits that can help your tires last longer and keep you safer on every trip. Drivers should also inspect tires regularly for physical damage. Sharp objects like nails, screws, glass, and metal debris can puncture tires without immediately causing a flat. Small punctures may leak air slowly over several days, making routine inspections especially valuable. Cuts, cracks, bulges, and bubbles on the tire sidewall are signs of structural damage that should never be ignored. A bulging sidewall often indicates internal damage to the tire and significantly increases the risk of a sudden blowout. If any serious damage is found, replacing the tire is usually the safest option. Modern tires are incredibly durable, but they do not last forever. Even if a vehicle is driven very little, the rubber naturally ages over time due to exposure to sunlight, oxygen, moisture, and changing temperatures. As tires age, the rubber becomes harder and may develop cracks that reduce performance and safety. Drivers should check the manufacturing date printed on the tire sidewall and follow manufacturer recommendations regarding tire replacement. Older tires should receive more frequent inspections, especially if they are used for long highway trips or heavy loads. Electric vehicles have introduced new considerations for tire maintenance in 2027. EVs are generally heavier than gasoline-powered vehicles because of their battery packs, placing additional stress on the tires. Instant electric motor torque can also increase tire wear during aggressive acceleration. As a result, many electric vehicles use specially designed tires that provide lower rolling resistance while supporting higher vehicle weights. Owners of electric vehicles should pay close attention to tire pressure and rotation schedules to maximize both tire life and driving range. Seasonal weather also affects tire performance. During hot summer months, rising temperatures increase tire pressure naturally, making regular inspections especially important. During colder weather, tire pressure drops as temperatures decrease, often triggering TPMS warning lights. Drivers living in regions with snow and ice should consider using dedicated winter tires, which remain flexible at lower temperatures and provide significantly better traction than all-season tires. Choosing the right tire for local weather conditions improves safety throughout the year. Driving habits have a surprisingly large impact on tire life. Rapid acceleration, hard braking, sharp cornering, and driving aggressively all generate additional heat and friction that wear tires much more quickly. Smooth acceleration, gentle braking, and maintaining safe following distances reduce unnecessary stress on the tires while also improving fuel economy or battery efficiency. Avoiding potholes whenever possible and slowing down over rough roads also helps protect both the tires and suspension system from damage. Vehicle loading is another factor that many people overlook. Every vehicle has a maximum load capacity specified by the manufacturer. Carrying excessive weight places additional pressure on the tires, increasing heat buildup and accelerating wear. Overloaded tires are also more vulnerable to blowouts, especially during long highway trips in hot weather. Drivers should always distribute cargo evenly throughout the vehicle and avoid exceeding recommended weight limits. Towing trailers also requires careful attention to tire pressure for both the tow vehicle and the trailer itself. Keeping tires clean can also contribute to longer service life. Dirt, road salt, brake dust, and chemicals can slowly damage rubber if left on the tire for extended periods. Washing tires with mild soap and water while cleaning the vehicle helps remove harmful contaminants. Tire shine products may improve appearance, but drivers should choose products specifically designed for automotive tires and avoid petroleum-based chemicals that may dry out the rubber over time. Technology continues to transform tire maintenance in 2027. Some premium vehicles now use predictive maintenance software that analyzes tire pressure, tread wear, driving habits, and environmental conditions to estimate remaining tire life. Connected vehicle apps can notify owners when maintenance is needed, schedule service appointments automatically, and even recommend nearby tire shops. Researchers are also developing smart tires equipped with embedded sensors capable of measuring road conditions, tire temperature, tread wear, and grip levels in real time. These innovations promise to improve safety and reduce maintenance costs as they become more widely available. Despite these exciting technological advances, responsible driving remains the most important factor in tire care. Technology can provide warnings and useful information, but it cannot replace routine inspections and good maintenance habits. Spending just a few minutes each month checking tire pressure, inspecting tread, looking for damage, and following recommended rotation schedules can save hundreds of dollars over the life of a vehicle. More importantly, proper tire maintenance protects drivers, passengers, and everyone else sharing the road. Whether you drive a compact car, family SUV, pickup truck, hybrid, or the latest electric vehicle, taking care of your tires should always be part of your regular maintenance routine. Healthy tires improve handling, shorten stopping distances, increase fuel efficiency, extend tire life, reduce repair costs, and provide greater confidence behind the wheel. As automotive technology continues to evolve throughout 2027 and beyond, the importance of proper tire maintenance remains exactly the same. A well-maintained set of tires is one of the smartest investments any driver can make for safety, performance, and peace of mind on every journey. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.